Oh, we had a spin. Oh my goodness. BMW. A minute and a half to go here at Mid-Ohio. Will Penske go back to victory lane in IMSA for the first time in God knows how long? One minute to go. Jordan Taylor in the 10 will finish by top 5. Too bad Piggott is out of the race. 30 seconds. Look at Elio. I think this time by will be the white flag. Yep, there's the white flag. As long as Ricky Taylor does not make a mistake, I guess everything will be A-okay for them. Up the hill, down the hill. Here's the GTD battle. If the Lexus wins, my friend Joseph would be happy about this. Oh, we got a battle. Here goes the Acura. Nope. They could have just done side by side. Look at the prototype and GTD battle. Oh, fuck. Anyway, Penske is back in victory lane at IMSA at Mid-Ohio. Attaboy for Ricky Taylor. Good job for Penske. Here's the 86. Ooh, my gosh. This is going to be something. Here it comes. Oh! Oh my god. This is good. Oh, the 86 almost spun. What's gonna happen? Is he? No. But that was a good battle. Alexis finally wins at IMSA. That was a good battle. Good race. IMSA is back on the calendar. Thank God, because this was good racing, even though it was a caution-free race. Good race.